Ever felt like you're navigating a maze blindfolded, desperately searching for the right suppliers for your online store? You're not alone. The world of dropshipping offers incredible potential, but choosing the right platform to connect you with reliable products and efficient shipping can feel overwhelming. Two names that often pop up in this conversation are Spocket and Alidropship. Both aim to simplify the dropshipping process, but they approach it with distinct features and philosophies. So, which one deserves your attention and, more importantly, your investment? Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the core need they both address. Traditionally, finding suppliers involved endless searching, vetting, and hoping for consistent quality and timely delivery. Dropshipping platforms emerged to streamline this, offering curated marketplaces or tools to integrate with existing e-commerce platforms. Spocket and Alidropship tackle this challenge, but their methods differ significantly. Spocket positions itself as a platform connecting you primarily with suppliers based in the US and Europe. Their emphasis is on faster shipping times and higher quality products, which can be a significant advantage when aiming for a premium customer experience. Think about it, shorter delivery windows can lead to happier customers and fewer complaints. Spocket meticulously vets its suppliers, ensuring a certain level of reliability and product quality. This vetting process often translates to slightly higher product costs compared to some other platforms, but the trade-off can be worth it for building a reputable brand. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it easy to import products and manage your inventory. Their platform offers features like one-click product import, automated inventory updates, and real-time order tracking. On the other hand, Alidropship takes a different approach by focusing primarily on AliExpress, the massive online marketplace. Alidropship offers two main routes, a plugin for WordPress and WooCommerce that allows you to directly import and manage products from AliExpress, and a custom dropshipping store creation service. The core advantage of Alidropship lies in its access to a vast catalog of products at competitive prices. The sheer volume of listings on AliExpress is staggering, offering unparalleled variety across almost every niche imaginable. However, this vastness also comes with its challenges. Product quality and shipping times can vary significantly between different sellers on AliExpress. Alidropship aims to mitigate these risks through tools that allow you to filter and select potentially reliable sellers based on ratings and reviews. Their plugin automates many aspects of the dropshipping process, including order fulfillment and tracking updates. So, what are the key differences to consider? The most significant distinction lies in the supplier base. Spocket emphasizes vetted suppliers primarily in the US and Europe, focusing on quality and faster shipping. Alidropship centers around AliExpress, offering a massive selection and potentially lower prices, but with more variability in quality and shipping times. Another crucial difference is the platform structure. Spocket is a subscription-based platform that integrates with existing e-commerce stores. You pay a monthly fee to access their supplier network and features. Alidropship offers a one-time purchase plugin or the option of a custom-built store. This can be appealing for those looking to avoid recurring subscription costs. Consider your target audience and brand image. If you're aiming for a premium brand with customers who value fast shipping and reliable quality, Spocket's focus on US and European suppliers might be a better fit, even if it means slightly higher product costs. If you're operating in a more price-sensitive market and prioritize a vast product selection, Alidropship's connection to AliExpress could be advantageous. Think also about the level of control and customization you desire. Alidropship's WordPress plugin offers a high degree of control over your store's design and functionality, especially if you're comfortable with the WordPress ecosystem. Spocket integrates seamlessly but operates within the framework of your chosen e-commerce platform. Ultimately, the choice between Spocket and Alidropship depends on your specific business needs, budget, and risk tolerance. There's no single better platform, it's about which one aligns best with your goals. Carefully weigh the pros and cons of each, consider your target market, and perhaps even try free trials if available, to make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.